Mama. Okay. Jesus. Obviously, it's when you're not open, Nigerian mula, we bring a pay go Nigerian.
Kakabo ha di yan kwa yan control yan o te no pe ani si e pure dan o Africa my o ya mare o mare Africa ya mare mi do mo ko bi mana e te ti me ka mi e ti shi je e ti she ti ya mo ya bi ya la
Hey, what?
A big deal here. It's just people.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Hey, this one a matter. Na matter. Come. Una no say before I start my live video before. Or let's say people want change my matter. You understand me? People wait know me. They know what I dey talk. You understand? So move forget every other thing. You understand me? I fit tell you the year where I go learn work. I'll tell you 3 years now to learn work. And I learn work for my madam. 2 people now teach me work. Oga and madam. First my madam before Oga. You understand? So I'm a professional. And the third 3 times now I learn work, not even 2 times. For hairstylist of 18, now twice. So the interior decoration, wait, follow on. You understand me? Making 3 times now I learn work. Why I don't open my shop, I don't there. I say, okay, I need to add interior decoration because I have so many children where big say they under me. You understand? Because I want make them get good things where they want carry come up for where they for come learn work. So I really need to come out again. Where I get so I still go write agreement for interior decoration. I learn it also. Don't you see? Not before math. Not before math. People wey know me know what I talk. Unless people want somebody want come out for Facebook, come begin to talk waiting on the paper. You understand me? Unless of that. And immediately when I enter this Europe of 18, guy, ije noriye mere webime lare bayo very adiema. You understand me? Eya la mana. E campije bi dekun order for me ni magbaro ti today. Okbia ni eti gbiyan your for my life. Okbia ni respect as a husband. Okbia ni tian as a man with the strength that God have given to him. You understand? So for that simple reason, ime yo igatimo image one day. You know those kind of people like these our lovely sister no wa call Baba and me no wa Baba, and I really believe I'm strong and believe that a lot of people like that iya really like we bone iya kaju iya ya zanzan lele ya leliri mgbiyan ya scatter igbiyan lele ya at the end of it ije na ijo muere ijo no mure ni na bege ulukbobo no ve ya mujwa oria bege otai Baba na where ije no mo where your mother cannot even ije make be me na my mother they beat me till the day about many days why I come off ije me o worry me we be when o was me my brothers they will just pass here one go pass here one oh yeah ije the talk so you know your word where they tell you so I get children where they take care of for shop I go cry you where hang where Ijo hangu we good. Hangu ijo we go egwa. Ekioja no what nonsense. That was the same nonsense. That's rubbish. We muwe. You uje boya zanzi jwa homuria. Because you look what boya mujwa gmoria very yo. Ijo na eti go egwa. Hello.
Ijo muere. Ni amuji ale no do kokomo. Ijo muere. Yeah, I'm with you. No, do what we want. You understand? You don't have to. Yeah, we are not to woman. Ebo no wo ko ti en kale le ori ebe ni je. E big be ade aya so. O wa wolo we na we Nigeria we yi aya se. Ko ti o no pe ake.
Okay, sister o. Sister, egbe o bi am no water won lawo wo je. So ebo ni ne no wo ko ti o, that is ebo ni na ni we kana. Iye mare o tin je.
O ti ke ti no pe a. O bo ka ebo no kale le.
Okay.
Oh, we enjoy the only oh, the real baby, the original one.
Okay, o ti ke no bia.
Oh, so I know me, I don't mind your back. Oh, go on me, body.
Ije na wa bia mu we ne.
Ya wu da le. Bo no ni ka bi ale le. There we ya ma o no pa ye gbe ni re. Te yan na iri yan ne. No continue for me yan.
Ije me o. Enaima, God forbid. Yeah, Giase no guase danyo no mere o, God forbid. Ya aju no meni nyagbon. Okay, we who we gbe sakane, we gbe nwene we na. We gbe sakane, we gbe nwene. We understand we beg a background where me no danger. We be ari akmari awawa. No, this is getting too much now. Any nine manner. Any nine manner. Why now? What I'm saying since a lot of people here they vitally. You understand me? Here can you imagine? No. So, keto, egrio. Otun we no bia. Owo. No kalele ebo no bia na iju we na be ya lo be kona be ri ebe ni ju e. So ikwe mamu we be ladian. U be ladian. U be ladian be live video. U be do amweni o Maria. U be ladian we do amweni o Maria. Me no gba na. Okay, like a star banner or tell about which way or how give we go wagwan. Benu we je we tin lu ebo ni ju we because ebo nu we u egbiju we ona be ase o ke na be anwina. You understand? U wagele se eketi u se na gbe o u se na gbe keti u gele se na gbe unless u ria oje e life marry. Deti marka post pictures we. Deti marka congratulate you we marriage we. You understand? Deti ka na me dada we be mind. You understand me? Wa winning na me ballo me eating ke because we wa beg we again and later we post a picture when na do we again na ga mwe baby ladian be live video. You ga gbe mwe baby ladian ya we nonsense. Now we mind we or ma be dey responsible. Mete wa no wa be dey responsible we wa be king. Keti come, let me tell you something. Emi ro pa makosa ni me kosa ni family we. Emi ro pa makosa ni me kosa ni we. The lovely sister no call. Understand me. On he we, on he woman queen. Or not the type public na but make na gba we. Nya me na woman queen. So I will not use that one against you. But right now, right away, Kate, me only me gele gbu we. Ni me kamu we ma bu we. Ma ve we. Ma iye gbariana. Ama iwari abe. Because ekpeku sori me ma ya elakpo. We lie we bo, understand me. When me yari we bo da fi me over me wo wa do mana me tamu we vetenena. Ubere imal dirty behavior when ya lie we bo the other for me ya me ma ya roti today is a story for me to tell tomorrow. And God really make it to pass for me. You understand? Irrespective ma me my ye. Mama be me my call love irrespect yes, mo ko no tie where other for me I hear voice in Maladian. Di manaka agwi bi madan egbe